Here he goes. Here he goes. Here he goes. He's gonna do a side turn here. Oh goodness. That one didn't turn out very good. That one didn't turn out very good. Do another one. Wow, he's a fish. Just a little fish. Gigi's boy. This is his favorite pool. It's only 1 foot deep, and he is completely independent. Hey! But I'm watching him every minute of every second. Okay. We just left the lazy river.